In this tutorial, we'll learn about Python sets with the help of examples. A Python set is the collection of unordered items. Each element in the set must be unique, immutable, and the sets remove the duplicate elements. Sets are mutable, which means we can modify it after its creation. Unlike other collections in Python, there is no index attached to the elements of the set. That is, we cannot directly access any element of the set by the index. However, we can print them all together, or we can get the list of elements by looping through the set. Creating a set. The set can be created by enclosing the comma separated immutable items with curly braces. Python also provides the set method, which can be used to create the set by the past sequence. Let's try the example in Python code. Right, let's execute this. So we have what we have there is Tuesday, Friday, complete days of the week. Right, let's see print type of days. Let's see what are the type of days. Name days is not defined. Days, so we need to write d small. Now we have, I'll cut it from here, I'll paste it here. A little better. Right. Now I will check the days in a looping format. Print looping to the set elements for I in days. Print I. Again, I have typed the capital, so it should be small. Now you can see that the complete days has been listed in a loop format, right? So it can contain any type of elements such as integer, float, tuple, etc. But mutable elements list dictionary set cannot be a member of set, right? Cannot be a member of set. The Here we have used the curly braces for now we'll use the same code with sets, right? So what I do is, so I'll just copy this from here to here, set of this and paste. Let's see the code. So both the answers for this one and this one are same by using this set without using the curly brackets. Okay, next. Creating an empty set bit different because empty curl braces are also used to create a dictionary as well. So Python provides the set method used without an argument to create an empty set. To create an empty set, let's see. Empty curl braces will create dictionary. Set 3 equal to print type set 3. So what we have here is print set 3. Now you can see that type is dictionary. We have an empty. Now we'll create empty set using set function. set 4 is equal to set empty. Print type of set 4. This is set. Let's see what happens if we provide the duplicate element to the set. Four comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9 comma 9 comma 9. So I have used two duplicates 4 and 9. Let's see what results we will get. Print set 5. So we have 1 2 4. So we have two fours here, but we got one 4. We have three nines here, we got only one 9. So in the code we can see that set 5 consists of multiple duplicates elements. When we printed it, remove the duplicate from the set. Right, now we'll move to adding items to the set. Python provides the add method and update method, which can be used to add some particular item to the set. The add method is used to add a single element, whereas the update method is used to add multiple elements to the set. Now take a look at an example. Months is equal to set of January, February, March, April, May, June. So we have 6 months here. Now we print slash n, printing the set. See what do we have? Something is missing here. And, oh, it should be in quotations, single or double. Right. Now print months. Print adding other months to the set. Months dot add July. Months dot add August. Print set. Print months. Let's see what do we have here. So what we tried, we printed the original and adding one more months to the set. We have added July and August to the set. Now here we have August and we have July. Two new months has been added by using the add method, right? And we'll try to loop this out. Print slash n set elements. Put I in months, print I. Now we have used the add method. Now we'll use the update method. This is the add method. Now we'll use the update method. Okay, months. What I do is I'll copy this month's first two lines of code from the top here. Actually, I'll copy the complete code. What we have to do is just we have to remove the update, add, and we add the update. So in update, we don't have to add separately. We can use this single line and we can add multiple months. July, August, September, October, right? Now I'll execute this code and see what update months. Okay, March. Okay, here I have done some mistake. The mistake was is I have to use square bracket. I'll use that. Let's re-execute this code. Now we have the correct answer here. Right. Next is removing items from the set. Python provides the discard method and remove method, which can be used to remove the items from the set. The difference between these functions using discard function if the item does not exist in the set, then the set remain unchanged, whereas remove method will throw an error. Let's try the remove method in the code. All right. Uh, this is a remove method. So discard, we'll try discard. Discard method. Right. So I copied this same month. I'm printing print months. We have it. Removing some months from the list. Now print. Right. Removing some months from the list. Months dot discard. January. Months dot discard. May. Print. Printing the modified set. Print months. Let's execute this. Now what we have here is we remove January and May, and after removing we have this result. So January and May is missing. So things work out perfectly in this way, and we can try the printing in a loop. I in months, print I. That's it. It's simple looping code. Now you can see that we have 4 months left that has been displayed. This is a discard function. Python also provides the remove method to remove the items from the set. Let's consider this example to remove the items using the remove. So let's copy this code and we will use it as a remove, right? Instead of discard, remove, remove. Let's try to remove January and May, right? Same function and see what will be the outcomes. So we have January, February, March, April, May, June, and removing some months. After removing, we have only 4 months left, and in the looping, we have 4 months left. So it's perfectly worked. We can also use the pop method to remove the item. Generally, pop method will always remove the last item, but the set is unordered. We can't determine which element we will pop from the list. Let's check this out. The pop method. Here we have months and printing months. Yes, we printed. I'm printing remove months from this set. Remove the some months from this is not list set. And we use instead of the discard, just we use pop bracket open close. We don't have to define it. And here pop bracket open close. All right, and print and then loop. Let's see. So remaining some months we haven't. We have complete 6 months here, removing some items from this set. We don't know which items. So June, February, March, April, May, June. So January and March has been removed. January and March, right? January and March has been removed from this. In this code, the last element of the month set is March, but the pop method removed the Jan because the set is unordered, and it removed March and January. The set was unordered. So this is the way how it's going to work. Python provides a clear method to remove all the items from the set. Let's take a look at the clear method as well. Let's copy paste that, and this is the clear method. And in this method, what we are doing is months dot instead of discard, we use clear. That's it. Now let's hit the print. So we have January to removing some items, printing modified sets, looping through the set element. We have nothing. So it's totally clear. Now, difference between discard and remove. Despite the fact that discard and remove methods both perform the same task, there is one main difference between discard and remove. If the key to be deleted from the set using discard doesn't exist in the set, the Python will not give the error. The program maintains its control flow for discard. On the other hand, if the item to be deleted from the set using remove does not exist in the set, the Python will raise an error. Right. Let's take a look this in an example. so that you guys can understand in a clear way. Let's go back to Jupyter Note and I'll paste this instead of these. I'll copy this. Let's take January, February printing months. Removing items through discard method. Discard method. Remove items through discard method. Right. Months dot discard. Feb. Let's see what will happen. Will will not give an error, although the key Feb is not in a set. Right? There is no Feb. It's a February. Print and set. Print months. Now let's execute this code. So what we'll have printing this set. Does it remove anything? No, because it doesn't find Feb and there is no error at it. So if we use a discard, so if it found, it will remove it. If not, it won't show you an error. Now print months dot remove Jan. Now for this one, let's see, will give an error as the key Jan is not available in this set. Right. Print /n set print months. Let's hit this and see do we have an error or not. So here removing item through remove method. So we have an error. It says Jan not be found and it stopped there. That's the difference between remove and discard. Hope you guys understood. Now we'll go back to next point. Python sets operations. Union of two sets. The set can be performed mathematically. Operations such as unions, intersection, difference, and symmetric difference. Python provides the facility to carry out these operations with operators or methods. We describe these operations as union of two sets. The union of two sets is calculated by using the pipe operator. The union of the two sets contains all the items that are present in both the sets. You can see on the days 1, days 2. So let's check out with small example for union of two sets. Now here we go here. This is using union operator. Days 1 is equal to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Days 2 is equal to Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Now, in days 1, we have weekdays, and in days 2, I have included Friday as well as weekends. Now, for this union, we use print days 1 union days 2, and this one it's in the union of the sets. Right. Let's see we have what we have here. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. It printed only Friday once. So you can see the result of days 1 and days 2. This is union. So Python also provides the union method which can also be used to calculate the union of two sets. Right. We can use the same thing in different way. Print days days 1 dot union of days 2. So here what do we have? It's the same answer. So either you can use this or you can use this. Right. Intersection of two sets. The intersection of two sets can be performed by the AND operator or the intersection function. The intersection of the two sets is given as a set of the elements that common in both sets. You can see the highlighted one that is common in both sets. For example, if you go back to our last example, the common in both sets was Friday. So we should get an answer as a Friday. Let's take a look at this in our example. So what I do is I will copy this and using and operator. Print this one and this two. We have only Friday is common. Right. We can use the same thing as this one dot intersection of days two. And let's execute this. We have the same answer. They both are the same. Whichever is convenient for you, you can use it. Okay. Two sets. Right. Now let's move. Intersection update method. The intersection update method removes the items from the original set that are not present in both the sets. All the sets if more than one are specified. The intersection update method is different from the intersection method since it modifies the original set by removing the unwanted items, or on the other hand, the intersection method returns a new set. Let's take a look at this. Intersection update. So take a look at this example, intersection update. A is equal to David, Bob, Castle. B is equal to Castle, Dude, Emmy. C is equal to fusion zone castle A dot intersection underscore update B comma C. Print A. Still we have something wrong here. Is this comma here, and we need to close off the quotation. Now we have a castle intersection update common in A, B, C. We have castle. So we have received the answer as a castle. Now, difference between two sets. The difference between two sets, you can see the highlighted one. That's a day one. Is a difference. The difference of two sets can be calculated by using the subtraction operator or intersection method. Suppose there are two sets A and B and the difference is A minus B. That denotes the resulting set will be obtained that element of A which is not present in the set B. Right. Let's take a look at this example. Mm, Difference between the two sets. Days 1 is equal to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. This is day 1. Days 2 is equal to Monday, Tuesday, and Sunday. Right? We have 2 days. Let's print. Print days 1 minus days 2. Now, the result is Wednesday and Thursday. Wednesday and Thursday are not in days 1. So we are minusing differencing from days 1 to days 2, not days 2 to days 1. If we try another way, see what will happen. Days 2 minus days 1. See, Sunday we have the Sunday. So whatever difference we have in the first selected, then it will be displayed. Or else you can use the same in different way. Days 1 dot difference of days 2. Let's see. So we have the same answer. Okay, let's move on to symmetric difference of two sets. The symmetric difference of two sets is calculated by caret, the caret, the caret operator, where you can find it in your keyboard. It is function and 6 is about the 6 key operator or symmetric difference method. Symmetric difference of sets, it removes that element which is present in both the sets. Now you can see on the screen that the white mark in the circle, the white mark will be removed, the common thing will be removed, and the uncommon thing will be displayed. Let's check this out in our example. A is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. B is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 9 comma 8 comma 10. C is equal to A at B print of C. See, what we'll have? 1, 2 is common in both, and 7, 8, 10 is not there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 9, 10. 8, 9, 10. Excuse me. Right. We can use the same thing in a different way. C is equal to A dot symmetric under difference of B. Print C. We have the same answer. So we have two ways. We can either we can use the sign or we can use the symmetric difference text. Next, set comparisons. Python allows us to use the comparison operator, that is greater than, lesser than, greater than or equal to, lesser than or equal to the sets, by using which we can check whether a set is a subset, superset, or equivalent to other set. The boolean true or false is returned depending upon the items present inside the sets. Alright, let's check out this example for the set comparisons. Days 1 is equal to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Days 2 equal to Monday and Tuesday. Tuesday. Days 3 is equal to Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. Right. We have 3 days. In that three days, we'll be using day 1 is the superset of day 2. Days 1 is the superset of days 2. Hence, it will print true. Print days 1 is greater than days 2. Okay. Next, prints false since days 1 is not the subset of days 2. Print days 1 and days 2. Prints false since days 2 and days 3 are not equivalent. Print days 2 equal to days 3. Let's execute this and see the result. First one is true. Yes, that was we accept. Second one is false. And third one is also false because days 2 and days 3 are not equal. Right. Next, we'll move to frozen sets. The frozen sets are the immutable form of the normal sets. That is, the items of the frozen set cannot be changed and therefore can be used as a key in the dictionary. The elements of the frozen set cannot be changed after the creation. We cannot change or append the content of the frozen sets by using the methods like add or remove. The frozen set method is used to create the frozen set object. The iterable sequence is passed into the method, which is converted into the frozen set as a return type of the method. Let's check out this example and see what the frozen set will have. Frozen set is equal to frozen set, which is 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 print type frozen set. Print slash n printing the content of frozen set. Right. For I in frozen set is print I. Let's execute this code and see what will happen. So we have an error in for I in frozen set. For I in frozen set, for now it was a spelling mistake. That was we had an error. So we have a printing content of frozen sets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which we have given. Now what I do is, okay, I'll try to add a frozen set dot add. So I'll add 6. What do you think it will give an answer? So does it's going to add to our frozen set or gives an error? Just think, it gives an error since we cannot change the content of frozen set after creation. Right. Let's execute this code and see. Now here, type object frozen set has no attribute add. Is it clear? Right. Now we'll go for a new topic. Okay, this frozen set. We'll go for a frozen set for the dictionary. If we pass the dictionary as a sequence inside the frozen set method, it will take only the keys from the dictionary and returns a frozen set that contains the key of the dictionary as its elements. Right. Let's check out this frozen set for the dictionary. Dictionary is equal to name John, comma, country is equal to USA, comma, ID equal to 101. Let's take it this way. Print type dictionary. Oh, type dictionary. Now, frozen set is equal to frozen set dictionary. Now, print type of frozen set. I'll take this F capital so that it will be differentiate. For I in frozen set, print I. So what we have, frozen set will contain the keys of the dictionary. Here, frozen set dictionary. What is the error? Frozen set object is not callable. Frozen set. Frozen set follow the set object is not callable. this this present object is not callable. So we have a dictionary. Type dictionary. Let's I'll remove this and give this code. So we have a class of dictionary. Now we'll have a fs frozen set print type fs. I'll remove this and see what is the problem. Frozen set object is not callable. Zedian frozen set. Now we have it, right? Now I'll, I'll go for this one. Now we have the result, right? Now we'll go for a programming example, right? We'll write a this is write a program to remove the given number from the set. This is the question, right? A program to remove the given set. Now we are going to write a program. My underscore set is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 12 comma 22. N is equal to int input, enter the number you want to remove. My underscore set dot discard. N print after removing my underscore set. Enter the number you want to remove. So I want to remove is number 12. After removing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 22, right? 12 has been removed. Now we'll see that. Again, I'll remove 2. So after removing 1, 2 is missing, right? Let's try another one. Write a program to add multiple elements to the set. Set 1 is equal to set of 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma John comma CS. Set of 1 dot update apple apple mango and grapes. Print set 1. Let's see what will happen. So we have John CS, John CS. So we have added apple, mango, and grapes. Apple, mango, and grapes has been added multiple elements to this set, right? We'll try another one. Now, write a program to see union between two sets. Now, here we have a program. We are writing a program to find the union between two sets. So first set is Joseph Mike, and second set is in Joseph, and set 3 is union. Let's try to print this out. So result is, so Joseph, we have Joseph in both, we have Mike in both, and 1, 2, 69, 86, and 25 all are present. So we have Joseph and Mike twice, but in the result we have it has been displayed only once. Let's see another. Now we'll write a program to find the intersection between two sets. Right, intersection between two sets. So here's the program. Write a program to find the intersection between two sets. So here we give Python, and we have set 1, set 2, set 3, and we see the intersection 5623, right? And next, right, next write the program to find the is superset, is subset, and is superset. Let's write it. So we have a set 1 and set 2, and we have set 3 is Peter. So now we need to find out the is superset, is subset, or superset. Right here. 3, 2, print is subset, is superset to set 3, print is set. So what we have is all false, 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 false. So why we have the false, all false here? Let's try to change the code for this bottom one. This is right. Let's execute this, and we have true here. So I will change this to this one too. Yes, yes. Now we have false again, right? Now I'll change it to this. So sorry, this way. So we have true, and we have true here. All right. So I'm sure guys you have a good fun with these sets. If you have any doubts, feel free to contact me. And the more you practice, the more you learn. Remember that. All right, guys. You have a good day. Take care. Join you next session. Bye bye.